Is Gemini good for crypto? Intro. Hook, ever wondered if Gemini is the right platform for your crypto journey? We've all heard the buzzwords, the promises of financial freedom, but is Gemini the real deal? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. What is Gemini? Brief history. Founded in 2014 by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers a range of services, from buying and selling cryptocurrencies to earning interest on your holdings. Key features. Gemini Active Trader, for advanced traders who want to access professional-grade tools. Gemini Earn interest on your crypto holdings. Gemini Custody, secure storage for institutional investors. Gemini Dollar, GUSD, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Section 2. Gemini's pros and cons. Pros. Security. Gemini has a strong reputation for security and has never been hacked. Regulation. It's one of the most regulated cryptocurrency exchanges in the US. Ease of use. The platform is user-friendly, even for beginners. Variety of cryptocurrencies. Gemini offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade. Gemini Earn, a great way to earn interest on your crypto holdings. Cons. Fees. Gemini's fees can be higher than some other exchanges, especially for smaller trades. Limited availability. Gemini is not available in all countries. Customer support. Some users have reported slow or unhelpful customer support. Section 3. Is Gemini good for beginners? User-friendly interface. Gemini's platform is designed to be easy to use, even for beginners. Educational resources. The platform offers a variety of educational resources, including articles and videos. Gemini Earn, a good way to start earning interest on your crypto holdings without having to do much. Security. Gemini's strong security measures can give beginners peace of mind. Section 4. Is Gemini good for advanced traders? Gemini Active Trader, for advanced traders who want to access professional-grade tools. Variety of cryptocurrencies. Gemini offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade. API integration. Gemini's API allows advanced traders to build custom trading bots. Fees. Gemini's fees can be higher than some other exchanges for smaller trades, but they may be competitive for larger trades. Section 5. Gemini versus other exchanges. Comparison with Coinbase. Both exchanges are popular among beginners, but Coinbase offers a wider range of services, including staking and NFT trading. Comparison with Binance. Binance is a larger exchange with lower fees and a wider variety of cryptocurrencies, but it is less regulated and may be less user-friendly for beginners. Section 6. Conclusion. Recap of key points. Gemini is a secure and regulated cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of services, from buying and selling cryptocurrencies to earning interest on your holdings. It is a good option for both beginners and advanced traders. Final thoughts. Whether Gemini is the right exchange for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Be sure to do your own research and consider factors such as fees, security, and customer support. Outro. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Gemini or other cryptocurrency exchanges, be sure to check out our other videos and articles. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.